attempt at doing a stream. My daughter and I, we like to watch Pokemon booster pack openings, so we figured we'd try to start our own. She's currently asleep right now because it took me forever to set this whole stream up, but my name is Dally, and been a Pokemon fan since it started in America, pretty much. Remember waiting on my mom's couch, to watch the first episode, and been playing all the games. And I wish I had kept my cards from back in the day, but we're gonna open up 20 booster packs today. Team Up, Guardians Rising, Lost Thunder, Celestial Storm, Evolutions X and Y, and some Burning Shadows. So, let's get it started. Got my code card over there. Let's see. Fire Energy, Unidentified Fossil. We got a Farfetch'd, Tentacruel, Charmander trying to run from its flame, I guess. Mankey stroming through the forest. Litten, Emolga, Mareep. The reverse is a Mimikyu, and a Bisharp destroying the forest. Next we got Guardians Rising. Psychic, Brooklet Hill, Slowbro, fishing for something, Kamola, Bellsprout, Pancham, Snorunt, Chansey, singing through the forest, Machop doing some chopping. The reverse is a Snorunt, and the rares Oricorio, sorry. Next, got Lost Thunder. One second here. Let's do a little test chat. Sorry, this is my first time doing stream, so green code, you guys usually know what that means. Fairy Energy, Delibird, Bayleaf, Sudowoodo, Trico, another Chansey, 11 on some plushes, some babies. I don't really like these clay forms. I don't know why, they're just not appealing to me. Poplio, Spinarak, the reverse is a Miltank, and the rare is a Miltank. Dark Energy, Swalot, Coppercat, Hail, Huntail, Seedot, Beldum, Strumpet, given the tongue, so screw you basically. Mudkip, Torchic, Surskrit, and Exploud. I'm having very much luck right now. I also have a YouTube channel doing live stream on Twitch and YouTube. Dally with 2 1s dot Pokemon with a E or a 3 for the E in Pokemon. I got some Sun and Moon evolutions. 3 to the front. Got a Venusaur Spirit Link, Metapod. Yeah, I like these ones because they remind me of when I was a kid and when I collected Pokemon cards. So, Diglett, Rattata, Charmander. Why is he always looking at his flame? Oh, I guess he's caught grass on fire. Psychic Energy, Pikachu, a Dugong, and a Dodrio, sorry. Another team up pack. Basically, we started watching the guys like Max Mofo, which I watch. I don't let my daughter watch. And Leonhardt, Real Breaking Nate, and some of those guys. They kind of inspired me to want to make this channel because me and my daughter like watching them. So, Dark Energy, Golduck, Doublblade, Tentacruel, Pancham again, Ferroseed, Pidgeotto. Really like that art. Charmander, it's like a little baby Charmander. Staryu, reverse is a Grimer, and a Zangoose. Burn Shadows. Really want to get that Charizard. I like to try and not look at the code color, so it adds more element to surprise. Steel Energy, Noctowl, Electabuzz, that's a cool Electabuzz. Mount Lanakila, I guess. Sandygast, Hoot Hoot, Tangela, Jupiter, Inkay, the reverse is a Magikarp, and we got a Gallespod GX card. I recently opened the full art version of this, so this is a goodie though. Go ahead and sleeve this one up. I'm using the Dragon Shield Perfect Sleeves. I always kind of like this Pokemon in the newer games. I'm gonna try and do these once a week or so, see how it goes, see if I can get an actual audience. This is my first attempt. I'm just using a little Razer camera and a little snowball microphone. Oh, I saw that white code. Fairy Energy, Outlaw, this Mallow, another altar, the moon, Stuffle, Sandalet, Mudbray, Vanillite, Gligar, oh it's kinda like Gligar, reverse is an Alolan Golem, rare, and a Tapu Lele GX. Not too bad, 2 in a row. Like I said, sorry about the glare. Just first time, I guess you learn some stuff. Maybe. Probably be the next quality of video on the next one if I do another one, so. Trying to figure out how to get my chat to show up. I don't know. Sorry about that. Lost Thunder. Leaf Energy. Majorina. Bug. Fair Charm Fighting. Mixed Herbs. Ralts. Cyndaquil. Pineco. Combi. Litleo. Reverse is Aether Foundation Employee. And a Tyranitar GX. 3 GXs in a row. Just set these over to the side. Psychic Energy, Pupitar, Fisherman, Super Scoop Up, Shumpert, Mudkip, Torchic. Wow, that's the second time I've got a Mudkip and Torchic back to back. Windsmer, Cactina, reverse is a Phanpy, rare is a Deoxys. Let's go evolutions time. Got a white code. That usually means. Let's see if we get something cool. Machoke. Super Potion. Charizard Spirit. Drowsy. Staryu. Steel Energy. Growlithe. Ghastly. Ooh, I like these hollow energy cards. Those are cool. And a Mega Pidgeot EX. It's a pretty card. Full art. I like the texture on these cards. Got a team up pack. Team ups are really hard to open sometimes. Fairy Energy, Persian, another Farfetch'd, Cosmium, whatever. Vulpix, Pawniard getting ready to tear the forest up. Alolan Geodude, Mankey, Pancham, Clayform, a Doublade, and a Alolan Muck. Alright, let's get that Rainbow Charizard. Water Energy, Bodybuilding Dumbbells, Rhydon, Electric Kick, Elliot, no, Pampor, Pansage, Esper, weird Pokemon, Swak, another weird one, Noibat, reverse is a heap more, and, ooh, I don't have this one. Diancie, hollow. It's a pretty card. Guardians Rising. Oh, solid green. Water. Weeping Bell. Glade. Hala. Barboach. Carvana. Tailo. Jangamoo. Delibird. Giving presents out to all the weirdos. Sizzle. Pangoro. Fighting Energy, Flaffy, Kahili, Sudowoodo, Slowpoke, that's a weird card. Bruh. Larvitar, Carbink, Chikorita, and we got a Durant and a rare unknown. Ooh, was that there? Thought it was a hollow. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more packs to open up here. See if we can't get that Rayquaza out of this Celestial Storm. Leaf Energy, Lucimies, Pokénav, Scyther, Beldum, Wailmer, Spinarak, Larvitar, Suckloth, and Prism Star Latios. Not too bad. Have you guys ever opened a pack and you open it and there's like 6 hollows in it? I had that happen to me a couple weeks ago. Just pulled hollow after hollow after hollow out of the same pack. I was like, what the heck is going on here? I think it's happened to me like once or twice before. Alright, evolutions. And we got Team Up, Burning Shadows, and Team Up. Two, 3 to the front. Actually, let's try something that I saw before. We'll put the rare down. That's right, the rare down. Full Heal, Porygon, Pokedex, Staryu, Onix, Fairy Energy, Voltorb, Tangela. Oh, I guess I did that wrong. And Zapdos. I did 3 to the front, didn't I? We're going to leave that down just in case. I like this card, so I'm going to sleeve it. I think I did put 3 down right there. That could be something good. One, 2, 3, 4. Steel Energy. Judge's Whistle. It's a pretty good card. Cosmion, Cosmos, Persian, Execute, Larvitar, Meowth, Nidoran, Mareep, and a reverse Omnite. Burning Shadows. One, 2, 3, 4. One down. Leaf. Guzma. Nice. Super Scoop Up. No. Ralts. Picking some flowers. Tangela. Dynamo. Crab Brawler. Inkay. And a Panpour reverse. Leaf Energy, Rapidash, Electrocharger, Hitmonchan, Klefki, Charmander, Mankey, Litten, Emolga, and reverse is a Grimer. Let's see what we got here. I think there might be something here. Oh, just a regular old Mewtwo. Behind door number 1. Let's see what's behind door number 2. Nidoking. Door number 3. Slowking. And the last one. Is this anything good? An Aerodactyl. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I always like to enjoy watching people's videos. If you want to tune in next time, just hit that subscribe and like button. I don't know how this usually goes. I'm just, trying to get it going. But thanks you for watching if you watched, and if you want to watch again, I'll be on in about a week next Friday. Thank you.